They sold Shake Shack here.
No way.
I love Shake Shack.
Shake Shack?
Shake Shack. You want a bite? Do you eat the paper? I got egg.
I bit the paper. Oh my god.
I'm crying. The blimp. Yeah, I do. Squish the blimp. Make a heart. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle.
Blimp. The blimp.
It's Bad Bunny.
Yeah, you keep beeping about your problems like a beep. Want me to solve them? Keep beeping about your problems like a beep. Yeah, you keep beeping about your problems like a beep. Want me to solve them? Keep beeping about your problems like a beep.
It's so pretty. How did it fly on you? Ew! It's stuck in your hair.
That's not bad actually.
What? We all try. It's good.
That's definitely doable. That's definitely doable.
Well, I get it. See, look.
No way I'm using my hand. What the heck?
Go! That's I'm done.
Oh my god.
Wow. Take a bit. 초콜릿 떨어진다.
Water Park Day. scared of heights. I'm scared shitless of heights.
That was the best fight. That was the best. Is he even gonna make it?
Hold up, I gotta wrap my knees.
Damn! You just stuffed me out.
Is this crazy? Like, this is your
Wow.
first impression of me?
No, this is great. I love this. Your little tongue's sticking out.
그거 먹으면 우족발. 너 소띠잖아. Last one.
No way, girl. Do it, lady.
So proudly we hailed, for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof for the land of the free. And the home of the brave.
You see that clock over there?
What?
You see the clock time over there? Yeah. That's the middle of the inning.
What do you say? This is the middle of the inning right now.
This is the middle. Change.
He's saying this right now is the middle of the inning.
We just started.
No! Remember I said top and the bottom?
Oh.
Look at Aaron Judge's height. 6'7".
What is this? These are insane, and so is this first date. I was picturing him to be ugly.
Really?
He is ugly. No, but I was thinking like he's giving you lies about his height.
Here, I'm sorry.
And you need to cover his face up. It's gonna make me gag.
No, I forgot to vlog all day.
Look at how big they are.
Shit.
Right?
GMOs are this.
Nothing good is in here. Can't even look.
The
Trader Joe's sells these. Right? I got them on the.
They look good.
They're not washed. Should I try one anywhere?